Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burrito meat. First, select about 1½ pounds of ground beef, ideally 85% lean, for a good balance of flavor and less fat. Begin by browning the beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Break it apart with a spoon as it cooks. Once it's fully browned and no pink remains, carefully drain off any excess fat. This step is crucial for a less greasy and more enjoyable burrito experience. Now, let's infuse that meat with incredible flavor. To your brown beef, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, which provides a deep, smoky base. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder for aromatic depth. Finish with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir all these spices thoroughly into the meat, ensuring every piece is coated evenly for maximum taste. To achieve tender, juicy burrito meat, we'll simmer it gently. Pour in about 1/2 cup of beef broth or water. This adds moisture and helps the flavors penetrate. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste for a touch of acidity and richness. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the skillet and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. This slow simmer allows all the spices to meld beautifully. Your flavorful burrito meat is almost ready. Uncover the skillet and give the meat a good stir. Check the consistency. If there's too much liquid, you can simmer it uncovered for a few more minutes until it reaches your preferred thickness. Taste the meat and adjust any seasonings if necessary, perhaps a pinch more salt or a dash of hot sauce. Serve this delicious, perfectly seasoned meat warm in tortillas with all your favorite burrito toppings. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.